Welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. This is the first part of our series on Infusible Ink. We're going to go over how to do not only the transfer sheets, but also the markers. We're going to walk through how to cut them, how to have them draw the markers, and then also how to apply them, including layering. So look for the link in the description to the playlist of the other videos in the series. So this is the project that the series goes over. It is one of the Infusible Ink tote bags, and the text up here is with the markers, and then the design at the bottom is a transfer sheet, and then on the back we have two pieces of layered transfer sheet. So if you only need to see parts of how to do this, go ahead, you can skip to the correct video. If you don't know what Infusible Ink is, stick around and we'll go over the different products and how you can use them. So the one that you'll see kind of most clearly is the transfer sheets. They'll come in solid sheets and patterned sheets. Solid sheets normally come 2 12 by 12 sheets. Patterned sheets will either be 2 or 4 sheets in a package. So Infusible Ink is sublimation that is able to be done at home. So you will need either an easy press or a heat press in order to heat it up to the proper temperature, but you can do it on all sorts of different blanks. Cricut offers t-shirts, raglan shirts, onesies, the tote bag, round ceramic coasters and square coasters. They have actually just introduced wine bags, pillowcases, and cosmetic bags. So you've got lots of variety. There are lots of different colors of marker and transfer sheet. They even have ones that if you want to freehand with the markers, you can do that. And the awesome thing about Infusible Ink is that it's not going to peel or crack or lift or anything. It is made into the fabric after you apply it. It's when you heat it up, it becomes a gas. It sinks into the fibers, and then as soon as it cools, it's part of it. There's no need to wait for it to cure or dry or anything, and it's super smooth and it will last the length of your item. Go ahead and check out the rest of the videos in the playlist and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about Infusible Ink.